Here's another one, friends. Mother Goose, no, not Goose, Mother Bruce by Ryan T. Higgins. Picked this one up at the Comox Library. I predict it is about, a bear and some ducklings. Let's see. Bruce was a bear who lived all by himself. Does he look happy? Look at the eyebrow. He was a grump. He looks like it, doesn't he? He did not like rain. Like some of the other stories we've read. He did not like sunny days. Sunny days? He did not like cute little animals. Oh, Bruce only liked one thing. Eggs. He collected them from all over the forest. Good morning, Mrs. Sparrow. Oh, look at this. He's getting the sparrow eggs. But Bruce didn't eat eggs raw like other bears. Instead, he cooked them into fancy recipes that he found on the internet. The bear liked the eggs cooked and got recipes on the internet. One day, Bruce came across a recipe for hard-boiled goose eggs drizzled with honey salmon sauce. Sounds kind of interesting, doesn't it? First, he caught a few salmon. See, there he is in the river. Then he collected honey from a local beehive. He liked to support local business, you see. Last, he went to Mrs. Goose's nest to pay her a visit. Are these eggs free-range organic? At home, Bruce prepared the eggs for hard boiling. Look at that, he even wore an apron. But the fire in his stove fizzled, so he went out to get more wood. When Bruce came back, he was met with an unwelcome surprise. What do you think it might be? An unwelcome surprise. They were eggs. Do you think something happened to the eggs? What do you think happened? Mama! Mama! Oh, they hatched! Bruce became the victim of mistaken identity. They think Bruce is their mama. Bruce wanted hard-boiled eggs, not goslings. He supposed he could settle for buttered goslings on toast, but for some reason he lost his appetite. Maybe their cuteness was wearing off to him. Bruce scooped up the little geese and stomped back to their nest. Oh, goslings, that's the name, the term for little baby geese. I will have to ask Mrs. Goose about her return policy. Only to find Mrs. Goose had flown south early. Be back in April. I guess with her eggs gone, she thought, oh, I might as well leave early. Bruce left the goslings there anyway and went back home. Oh, but who's going to care for them? Oh, do you think that Bruce might have a change of thought and come back to help them? Mama! Mama! But he was followed. Oh, that's what little ducklings do. Bruce was very stern and said things like, go away, and I'm not your mother, and also, what's this last one? And also, I like you better when you were eggs. Oh, Bruce doesn't want the responsibility. Roar! Bruce could take it no longer and became extra grumpy with them. The poor goslings. What's going to happen to them? Poor goslings. It didn't work. Goslings always follow their mother, even if she is a he and he is a bear. Mama! Mama! Bruce was stuck with them. He tried to make the best of it, so he got a little pool for them. It was hard work. Oh, he's trying to entertain them with paint. Look at that, he's got a little gosling carrier for them. Oh, look at these little goslings. Ew, yuck! Then they all slept on the log. Annoying baby geese. As the seasons passed, Bruce watched the pesky goslings grow older. Stubborn teenage geese. Look at this. They have headphones on. Boring adult geese. Then one fall afternoon, he saw other goose families flying south. Finally, he'd be rid of those geese, and he could finally take a long winter nap. Do you think he might miss the goslings, the now grown-up geese, when they're gone? I bet you he will. Bruce explained migration. They're listening. He's trying to show them how to fly. But they didn't listen because they wanted to stay with what they thought was their mama. Bruce needed to get the geese to leave, so he got creative. Look at this. Looks like a slingshot. He's trying to get them to fly. Nothing worked. The geese would not leave Bruce. Sigh. And look at them hugging him so dearly. So Bruce decided to pack some bags and take his geese into town. They boarded a bus. Wonder what's going to happen in town. Now, does he look so grumpy anymore? He looks maybe a little bit worried or thoughtful, but I wouldn't say angry like we saw at the beginning. His eyebrows are kind of changing in his forehead to looking more pensive, and migrated to Miami. Oh my gosh, look at that. He's taken them to the beach. Now every winter, Bruce and his geese head south together. They laze about at the beach in tacky shirts, sipping ice-cold lemonade, while Bruce dreams of new recipes that don't hatch. Now look at the goose. The goose has a little turtle coming up to it going, "Mama! Mama!" Oh, what a crazy fun story.